welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm super excited because I have another special guest that has been a huge inspiration in terms of me cooking and being in the kitchen and just loving some awesome food. And so today I have
Maurice, her father.
So yeah, I have my dad here. So we're gonna do a couple of daddy-daughter videos for you guys. So the first one that we're doing is
Sweet potato biscuits.
So we're doing sweet potato biscuits. So Dad knows that I love his sweet potato biscuits, and I usually ask him to do them for me every time I come home. And then when he comes out here to visit me in LA, I usually have him do them for me. But of course, there's something different, which is I'm vegan. So we had to work together to veganize his sweet potato biscuit recipe. So if you're interested, stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button before we jump into the video if you haven't done so. And if you have, thanks so much for all the love and support. Ready, Dad?
Yes.
All right, let's hop into the video.
So to get started, we're going to take our cooked sweet potatoes, we're going to mash those up, we're going to add a little bit of butter, and then to that we're going to add some sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla and mix very well. So you may end up with too many sweet potatoes, so you can always divide it out and just get the right measurement of sweet potatoes for this recipe. You only need 1 cup. And with the other sweet potatoes, you can always freeze it and save it for later. So next we're going to take our Bisquick and we're going to add that to our sweet potato mixture. And we're going to add a hefty amount because we don't want it to be wet. We want it to start to form into a dough. So just make sure that you add a nice amount of that, and the recipe of course will be down in the description box below so you can print it or download it. So you want to continue to mix that very well until you have your dough. Next, you'll want to sprinkle some flour on the surface that you'll be rolling your dough out on. And you'll go ahead and place your dough on top of your surface. And then you're going to sprinkle a little bit more flour on top of the dough. And you're going to begin to push down the dough and get it a little flat, not too flat because you still want these to be somewhat thick. And you want to work that flour into the dough so that it's not sticking, and just knead it just a little bit. And then you want to use a cookie cutter and press out your biscuits, and then you'll place that onto a greased pan, lightly greased pan. You don't need much grease. And then you'll bake your biscuits for about 10 to 12 minutes. And we use the rolling pin just to roll out the dough before we actually use the cookie cutter to cut out our biscuits. So I want you guys to see what the inside of these biscuits look like. They're so warm and delicious. They are spongy and soft, as you can see when Dad presses into them. Not hard at all. They are amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to try them out and let me know what you think. So another alternative is you can drizzle some melted butter on them and then shake them in some cinnamon sugar.
Nice soft biscuit.
Yeah. Great for breakfast. really any time of the day. You can also add some butter if you want. But yeah, these are perfect. Alright guys, so please let us know what you think of this sweet potato biscuit recipe. I cannot wait for you guys to try it out. It's something that I grew up on and I just love them. So make sure you check the description box down below for this recipe. You can print it out or download it. And I think it's like super easy to make. Dad, what do you think? It was your first time veganizing this recipe.
So I just substituted a few things and did the same recipe.
So do you think they taste very close to your original recipe?
They taste real close to the original recipe.
Yeah, I think so. I definitely don't think I feel like, oh, these are vegan and they taste extra healthy and they're missing anything. They definitely taste very, very, very close to the original recipe. So I am a happy daughter. All right, Dad, well, thanks for joining me at Cotton Creations. Make sure you guys give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Drop us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. All right. Hi, and welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I am super excited because I have a very special guest, and
We are going to be making sweet potato pie and sweet potato biscuits.
Wait. They don't even know who you are to me.
Oh, okay. Well, let's start over.